Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we provide you with insightful analysis of the market. Today's date is January 14th, 2025, and we're taking an in-depth look at Microsoft, MSFT, stock. Before we delve into the charts, let's cover recent news and events. According to recent Google searches and financial news outlets, Microsoft has seen some minor fluctuations. There are reports of decreased institutional investor stake in Microsoft, a factor which may influence its near-term movement. Positive sentiment remains overall, driven by the company's ongoing investments in AI infrastructure and projects. Now, let's transition to analyzing the Microsoft one-day candlestick chart. We observe a relatively stable price range over the past month, with some minor corrections. The price has mostly been consolidating recently, with a clear range of support and resistance levels. There's a relatively strong support level around 380, where the price has bounced off multiple times. Let's zoom in on the last 2 weeks of the one-day chart for Microsoft. Here, we can see some of the most recent fluctuations in the stock price. This time frame highlights recent volatility in the market and MSFT's reaction to the news. We can see that the stock price has made multiple attempts to break through the resistance level of 400, so this should be closely watched. Despite recent downward pressure, the price has found support above the 390 level, which is positive. Let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price action. The 1-hour chart shows more rapid price fluctuations that can provide more short-term trading opportunities. There's more significant short-term volatility in the 1-hour time frame, but the support and resistance levels from the daily chart still apply. To further enhance our analysis, let's examine the 15-minute candlestick chart for Microsoft. This time frame helps us in identifying short-term reversals and intraday trading opportunities. Observe how the price action can change direction quickly, providing confirmation for the support and resistance levels from the other charts. Taking all three charts into account, we can see a relatively consistent picture. The stock has been consolidating recently, attempting to break the 400 resistance. Support levels appear strong around 380 and 390, while resistance is found at and above 400. The likelihood of a bullish breakout above 400 is moderate, but it would be reinforced by positive news and increased trading volume. In the short term, we can expect price fluctuations within the 390 to 400 range, with opportunities for both short and long positions. A bearish reversal below 380 would signal a trend shift, necessitating a reassessment of positions.